Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 8th April 2025. India increases excise duty on petrol and diesel. On 7th April 2025, the Indian government announced a hike in the special additional excise duty on petrol and diesel by 2 rupee per litre. Oil Minister Hardeep Singh Puri emphasized that this increase will not affect consumers, as all marketing companies will absorb the additional cost. This decision aims to bolster government revenues without impacting retail fuel prices. India's economic growth amid US tariffs. Despite the recent imposition of a 26% tariff on Indian imports by the United States, Indian officials maintain that the country's projected economic growth of 6.3% to 6.8% for the 2025-26 fiscal year remains attainable, provided oil prices stay below $70 per barrel. However, some economists express skepticism, suggesting potential growth reductions of 20 to 40 basis points due to these trade tensions. Global trade tensions escalate. The US administration has implemented broad tariffs, including a 10% baseline on all imports and higher duties on specific countries. This move has led to significant market volatility and prompted over 50 nations to seek trade negotiations with the US. India, among others, has opted for diplomatic discussions rather than retaliatory measures. Sports highlights. Mohammad Siraj's remarkable IPL performance, after being released by Royal Challengers Bengaluru and omitted from India's Champions Trophy squad, Mohammad Siraj has showcased exceptional form in the 2025 Indian Premier League. Playing for Gujarat Titans, he has secured 9 wickets in 4 matches, including a standout 4-17 against Sunrisers Hyderabad. His resurgence underscores his determination and potential for national team reintegration. India's aspirations in global sports. Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia has articulated a vision to position India among the top 5 sporting nations by 2047. This ambition is part of a broader strategy initiated during the COVID-19 pandemic to elevate India's global sporting stature. Khelo India Youth Games 2025 in Bihar. Following the successful hosting of the Women's Asian Champions Trophy in Rajgir, Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia confirmed that Bihar will host the 2025 edition of the Khelo India Youth Games. This initiative aligns with efforts to promote sports infrastructure and talent development across the country. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.